Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to cook soy sauce beef. As the name suggests, the main ingredients are beef and soy sauce. I normally use the beef shank for this dish. Since beef shank with bone-in from typical grocery store are cross-cut already, your best chance to find a whole shank meat is from Asian grocery stores. But I prefer to have better beef source, so I simply request the grocery store to sell me the whole shank, and I will strip the meat off the bone at home. Today, this shank weighs about 5 pounds with the bone in. That will be a lot of meat. First, cut the meat into big chunks. Add salt and rice vinegar and enough water to cover the meat. Let them sit for an hour so to extract and remove blood out. Wash clean under running water and set aside. Now prepare spice sauce. Use some dried chili pepper, star anises, fennel seeds, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, and Sichuan peppercorns. Then heat up a pan over medium-low heat. Add all spices in. Stir fry for 4 to 5 minutes so the aroma can come out. Now, add in about 1 pound of soy sauce. Bring it to hot. Add enough sugar to fully dissolve into the sauce mix. Now marinate the shank meat. First, add in high-proof spirit such as vodka into the meat and fully mix up. Now add in spice sauce from the previous step. Slice some ginger, red onions, green onions, cilantro, and add them into the meat. Now add some hot chili sauce, followed by enough water to cover the meat. Use hand or a spatula to fully mix them up and put the meat pot into refrigerator and marinate overnight. The longer time the marination, the richer the flavor. Now the cooking time. Cook the meat pot over high heat to bring it to boil. Then lower down the heat to medium and simmer for 60 to 90 minutes, depending on your stove power. Occasionally stir the pot a little. When time's up, remove the meat chunks into a plate and let them cool down a little. How to serve? There are several ways. First, you can cut the meat into slices and serve cold in its purest form. The meat slices are already very flavorful by themselves. Or you can prepare a small bowl of dipping sauce. Chop up some cilantro and green onions. Mix them in a small bowl with some soy sauce and vinegar. Now, just dip a slice of meat into the dipping sauce as you eat. Or you can simply pour and spread the whole bowl of dipping sauce onto the meat slices. You can keep the rest shank chunks refrigerated and slice and eat as needed for the next few days. You can add the meat into some other stir-fry dishes, as shown here, for example. There are just a lot of ways to enjoy the shank slices if you cook enough from one preparation. Hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching Luke Cookbook. See you next time.